Hi, my name is Katie French and I'm an assistant engineer in the Division of Water here in Stony Brook in Region 1 at the DEC office. We received our 2 packages of Italian bees today and now we're going to install them into their hives. So we ordered these bees a couple of months ago. They were packed up on Sunday. They spent a couple of days in the mail, but the beekeeper packed them up with a jar of food, so they had food for the journey. Food jar was pretty full when they got here, so they were not hungry, but we have some built-out honeycomb and some honey for them to give them a bit of a head start. So I'm really looking forward to seeing how they do here. I think they're going to do really well, especially with the garden that we're installing, and we're looking forward to keeping you posted.